Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Lottery reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, guys, and it is an online shopping store that deals with multiple women's fashion clothing options, including party evening dresses, mix evening dresses, mini evening dresses. However, you will check out the product category list, and guys, they have mentioned the wrong spellings of maxi evening dresses, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, as they are offering extra percent off on particular products. So guys, the citizens from Canada, United Kingdom, and United States are curious to know about this website, whether the website is legit or a scam. And let's check out the entire information, or let's take a look at the payment information of this particular site. So let's check out the payment information by checking the payment method section. Here it is. So the company accepts payment via PayPal, guys, and credit card. Now talking about the shipping policy of the site, let's check out the shipping policy. So here is the shipping policy page. So guys, they have mentioned that the estimated delivery time will be 5 to 15 days. The rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's discuss those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. Talking about the domain information, it was created on 26th of October 2020. So guys, the site is a few months old website, but we can't trust on this website easily because the site is registered for 1 year only. So there is a loophole. Now guys, coming to the about us information or company's information, let's check out the company's information by visiting the about us page or our story page. So here they have provided the about us information business offering, which is a positive sign, but they have not provided the info related to business establishment year, brand connection info, etc. But yes, in our story option they have provided little information about the online store that was born in true startup style, and they have mentioned that the brand started in 2019, but guys, this website was created in 2020. So here is a confusion regarding the establishment year or regarding the information. Now coming to the contact details, you need to visit the contact us page to know more about the contact details, and here they have provided the email address which matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign, but guys, they have not provided the exact contact details, and this particular given address can't be copied, guys, which is a negative sign. Now talking about social media presence, the site has social media presence on Instagram and Facebook. It comes with 3792 followers on Instagram, which is a positive sign, but guys, we would like to inform you that they have only mentioned or posted two posts on the social media icons, and it's not well maintained as well. But apart from that, on the Facebook, various comments are there, engagement is there. When you will check out the Facebook profile of this particular website, you will find various comments on a single post, and people are looking for review about this website. They also want to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. That's why they have posted various comments like we are waiting for the review, and is this website a scam or legit, and hey guys, has anyone ordered some clothes from this shop previously and can give us a review. So most of the customers that have posted the content are looking for genuine or honest review about this site. So this is a positive sign that engagement is there, but guys, only once they have replied, and the rest they have not replied on the entire reviews or comments. Now, talking about the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So here is the return policy page. Let's check out. So guys, they have mentioned that you have 24 hours to return an item from the date you received it. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And apart from that, talking about Lodley reviews, we have found only 2 positive comments on the official website, but no reviews are available about the site on the internet, which is a negative sign. So let me show you the customer reviews that are available on the official website. So this is the review section, guys. And one of the customers said very fast delivery speed, only 9 days to reach the United States. It is recommended to buy. Another customers have already posted a positive comment. And one customers have posted the comment with the image of the product. But guys, the site can't be trusted on the basis of these customer reviews because we are not able to find the exact verified IDs of these customers. Apart from that, guys, the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. And contact address doesn't direct to the store. You can't copy the contact details or contact address to check out the legitimacy. And Alexa rank of this site is too low, guys. So yes, the low trust index score, a low traffic score, low Alexa rank, and various loopholes including the suspicious contact details and other options or factors led to believers that it may be a suspicious site, but it's too difficult to define its legitimacy, guys. So we do not recommend you to buy anything from this website. We highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.